one rejection isn't the end. Here's how to make Amazon take action for your report. So first, you want to triple check that the fake product is actually violating your IP, whether it's your trademark, your intellectual property, like your patent, your copyright, right? So just triple check that it does, and it's very clear that it does, okay? Next, you're going to report them. And what you're going to do is just go into brandregistry.amazon.com, go to protect, and then go to report. And then you're going to go to monitor and then submission history and see if it's approved or denied. Now, if it's denied, what you don't want to do is just report them again and again and again. Amazon will completely kick you off and say you're not allowed to make any more reports. So you need to be very strategic about this. If you get where it says denied, it doesn't say accepted, it was denied. What you want to do is you want to go to support and contact brand support. Now that's going to take you here, and you're going to click escalate previously submitted issue. And this is where you can escalate it. And they're going to give you more information on why it was denied. Check your Gmail. Why was it denied? Did you not give enough information? Did you not do a test buy? Ask them why it was denied and attempt to escalate it, right? So what I do recommend is every time you are reporting a fake, if it was denied, get a test buy. So purchase it, make sure it gets delivered, and then have screenshots. Do a side-by-side. So here's an actual patent, one of our clients' patents. Then here's the fake one that we purchased. We did a side-by-side to make it idiot-proof for Amazon, because you can actually submit attachments right here, add attachment, and that's going to help you. You can also click on technical issue right here, and then you can chat. Sometimes you can chat with brand registry and be like, hey, why was this denied? What should I do? I did a test buy. Should I report it again? I don't want to get kicked off if I report them too many times. So get permission to report them again. That's really what you want to do, and escalate your issue right here to see if they can look at it a second time. Now, brand registry, a lot of the times they just send templated responses. That's why it's important to actually chat with them, or to continue to send emails and try to get in front of a rep that actually cares. It is a numbers game, just like with dating. Sometimes it's a numbers game. Same with Amazon. Sometimes it's a numbers game. You get good reps, you get bad reps, you get reps that you like, you get reps that don't like you, things like that. Make sure you take it one step at a time and get as much evidence as possible. Do that test buy. Make sure it's delivered. Get the order ID. Get proof. Make it super duper easy for Amazon to accept your infringement request, and then you will be able to get success. It does take time, it does take energy, but if you keep reporting them and you go to the report tab and you report the same person over and over again, I can promise you, you will get kicked off, report a violation. There'll be an error message that says you cannot report anybody again, and you have to appeal it, which is one of the worst things that could happen. So take it slow, take it easy, take it one step at a time, and make it idiot-proof for Amazon to approve it. That's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, escalating issues, or reporting violations, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon infringement service. This is where we're going to go into Amazon. We're going to review all of the fakes, create a list, report them one at a time, and add as much evidence as possible. If something's not accepted, we're going to be the ones that are escalating it and make sure it does get accepted. That way, your fakes are off of Amazon, your hijackers are off on Amazon, and your listings are clean, especially during Q4 when sales go crazy, and so do fakes. We're here to help you. Feel free to contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO. I'm signing out.